Hello, one and all. And in the previous class, I have discussed the date and time in function, date and time in the Python. Now, in this class, I have discussed the function. So, what is meant by function? So, consider the definition. A function is a block of organized reusable code that is used to perform a single or related action. So, function provide better modularity for application and a high degree of code reusability. The main advantage of the using functions is the code reusability. That means the code will be reusable many times. Once we can return the code, it may be reusable for many times. As already Python gives many built-in functions like print function, etc. You can also create your own function. So there are two types of functions: user defined and predefined functions are there in the Python, and we can also define user defined functions. So how can we define a function? Means consider the following steps. First, the function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and the parentheses. Next one is the any input parameters argument should be placed within these parentheses. You can also define parameters inside these parentheses. The first statement of function can be optional. The documentation string of the function. Next one is that the code block within every function start with a colon. The statement the expression exits a function optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no argument in the same as return value. So here consider the syntax. Here is the syntax for the function. Definition is a keyword, and function name we have to write user defined function name, and we can pass the parameters if we have any. After that, mention the colon. Next, you can here the function doc string and function shoot and return some value as an expression. So consider the following example. Here a print me of string. It is a string type and a parametric string type. Printing a statement on output screen, then print the str onto the output screen, then return some value come back. As it is not a void function, it is return type. It has some return type. That is about the function and how we define a function and declare under the declaration. What is the syntax of the function? The syntax of the function. And next we have how we calling a function. So defining a function, give it a name, specify the parameters and structures the block of code. Consider the following function. Here we have the definition is the keyword to create a function, and just print me is my function name, and the str is the parameter I have passed. Next I mention the open parenthesis, close parenthesis, next mention the colon. Next creating a print statement. This prints a passed into the output. Print of str. Here printing the some string onto the output. So now you call the call by value. So I am calling the function, printing the two statements onto the output screen using this function. So this is about the calling a function. Here I am calling it. This is a function name. I am calling it as a argument, so that is called the function calling. As for the pass by differences, pass by value, these are the two important concepts in function. So all the parameters in the Python language are passed by reference. It means if you change what a parameter returns within a function, the change also refers back in the calling function. So consider the example for it, call by reference. So here I have taken a function, and change me is the function name. My list is the arguments I have passed, and this next is I have taken a print statement. After that I have taken a my list 2 of 50, and then printing the some my list onto the output screen, and then return the value. So now you can call the change function. That means I have initializing the more values, not a single value, initializing more values, then printing the my list onto the output screen. So this is the here we are maintaining the reference of the passed object and appending values. That means the values are appending on the next on the here the change in the calling function is also affecting the main function. That is the main aim of the call by reference. So call by value means here I have taken a similar program, and definition and change me is the function name, and my list is the parameters. So next one the print statement, and taken a my list of some values and printing those values on the output screen, and then I am call the change the function, change me function by my list, and printing those values onto the output screen. That is something about the call by value and reference in the function. So what it meant by function, function definition, and rules to create a function, and syntax of a function, and what is call by value, call by reference. And in next class I shall discuss the function arguments. So what are the different types of function arguments we have, I shall discuss these in the. So please subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech, like my videos. Thank you all.